keep an eye on Reliance Industries. Today, post-market hours on Friday, company announced a gas discovery at KG-D6. Well, if you look at the new gas discovery, that's been named as D55, and a couple of brokerages have reacted to this news. You had CLSA coming out with a report saying that the possible addition of this gas discovery to the stock price would be about 12 rupees per share, and UBS has said that they see improved gas production visibility at KG-D6 post this discovery. If you look at the stock price, well, it was flat on Friday, so keep an eye, it could react to this news. Moving on to Idea, well, the Department of Telecom has asked the Delhi High Court to take action against the company. As per Delhi High Court's order on April 12th, they had only given permission to the company to continue with their 3G services outside the licensed zones, but as per the order which has been given by Department of Telecom, they said the company has violated the order, and in fact they have added new subscribers also outside the spectrum. So keep an eye on Idea. Well, looking at the counter on a Y2D basis, it's done quite well. The stock is up by about 24%. 1 year return has also been quite good, up 66%. Currently the stock is trading above its 200-day moving average, but you could see that weakness coming in on Friday's trading session. The stock fell by about close to 1%, and couple of earnings which came post-market hours on Friday and also on Saturday. You had Britannia earnings coming up. Well, good set of numbers reported by the company, especially the operating performance this time around was above what the street was estimating. So if you look at the sales, they were up by about 13.5%. The PAT was about 88 crore versus our estimate of about 61 crore, but the margins came in at about 8.8% versus our estimate of about 5.5%. So good performance posted by Britannia. Also, the other income was higher, which came in at about 21 crore versus 10 crore, which was posted in the corresponding quarter. On YTD basis, the stock of Britannia has given returns of about 15%. Keep an eye on the aviation space. You had Jet Airways and SpiceJet, which reported their earnings on Friday. Well, dismal set of numbers reported by both these companies. They were way below what the market was looking at. Both the companies have posted an operating loss. If you look at Jet, they posted a loss of about 496 crore, whereas SpiceJet has posted loss about 186 crore for the quarter.